Hey, Tom. Doing a big spring cleaning?
Way!
Well, that's a very special way to clean.
Yay!
Oh. Hey, Gary. Oh, you seem upset. You've seen something horrifying while you were working? The wind spread the trash all over the canal?
Ah.
In the streets, too? Well, do you think you can help our friend out, Tom?
Mabasa.
Great. Let's use your special object maker. Will you look at that? A super Hoover. Awesome. Let's go outside and see how this works. Let's try this super Hoover. Awesome. Look at that pile of garbage. It's disappearing for good.
What the?
Whoa. Once again, you overpassed yourself, Tom. What do you think, Gary? I think Tom would like to say something. Gary, you really should slow down, don't you? Well, I have to admit, this is very effective. Gary, this wasn't trash. Are you okay, Tom?
Blub, blub.
Oh, Gary, you really should listen to Tom. Please stop the super Hoover. Guys! Come on, Gary. You have to stop the super Hoover. Careful, guys. Oh, boy. What a disaster. What should we do? Tom, can you find a solution to stop the super Hoover?
Hey, totals to.
Good. All right, let's see what you've got this time. Foam ball pistol.
Huh.
But what are you going to do with this new invention, Tom? I don't understand either, Gary.
What the?
Oh, now I get it. You want to block the hole of the vacuum hose thanks to the foam ball pistol. That is very smart, Tom. But you need to hurry. Okay, let's focus now. This super Hoover is running wild. Oh no, so close. Try again, but carefully this time. Bullseye! What a relief, right, Gary? Uh-oh, Carrie doesn't seem as glad as you are. What a mess in her candy shop.
Mabadada.
Is that your punishment for being greedy, Gary? At least you learned your lesson, right? Well, cheer up now. All's well that ends well. Hi, Tom. Oh, I see. Watering some plants. Hi, baby. What's wrong? Ouch! Looks like the baby wants to be a real Spider-Man. Can you help him, Tom? A spiderweb pistol? Brilliant! It's time to try your new power, baby Spider-Man. Oh no! Baby Rocky has vertigo and he's too scared to fly down. Can't you help him, Tom? It really is too high. You're right. Look, Tom. Baby Spider-Man has an idea. Don't worry, Baby Rocky. Baby Spider-Man is going to help you. But how? You're using a spider web to secure Baby Rocky's flight? That could work. Are you ready, Baby Rocky? Go! Are you okay, Baby Spider-Man? Hold on. Oh no! Looks like Baby Rocky is having trouble with his landing. The spider web is about to break.
Mabadada.
What's wrong, Baby Spider-Man?
Kasana matata.
Yeah, Papa.
You didn't realize it was that high? Oh no! Your pistol isn't working anymore? Don't worry. Tom will find a solution. A helicopter propeller. Amazing. Ready for a ride? Open your eyes, Baby Spider. Look at the view. Thanks, Tom. Now Baby Spider-Man will think twice before climbing this high. What are you doing, guys? You're using the helicopter to help Walter overcome his vertigo? See, Baby Spider-Man, you don't need to put yourself at risk to be helpful.
Wow, Tom. Are you flying?
Aha! You're cheating.
Mapakastara. Huh?
Hi, baby. What's wrong? Looks like you want to be a superhero too. Thor? Can you do that, Tom?
Hey.
You made a magic hammer. Wow, you look great. Hurry, Tom. Baby Thor is already on his way to try it out. Hi, baby Spider-Man. You two sure are superheroes now. Oh no, Jerry is stuck under those big rocks. You don't know how to free him?
Mabala.
Maybe baby Thor can use his hammer to break the rock. Good job, guys. Bye, Jerry. Wow, that's quite a push, baby Thor. What's wrong, Tom? You're having concern about baby Thor's powers?
Oh,
You'd better follow him to be sure.
Tamanara.
Hi, Carrie. Are you okay? Oh no, your ice cream machines aren't working well. You think there's a problem with the city power? Come on, Tom. Let's see what's wrong. Look, guys, the crystal is discharged. You know what to do, baby Thor? You want to charge the crystal up with your powers? That could work. Wait, watch out! Oh no, baby Thor broke the main pipe. Now the whole town is deprived of electricity. You lost control of your hammer, baby Thor? Don't worry, Tom will find a way to fix this.
Mabatsa.
What is it? A glue pistol to repair the pipe? Great. You fixed it.
Mabasa.
The crystal still needs to be charged up. Right, Carrie?
Hey. Kasana mata.
You want baby Thor to use his power again? Are you scared? Don't worry, Tom will help you.
Mana sana.
You did it! See, baby Thor, you just need to be more careful. Is it working now, Carrie? Nice teamwork, guys.
Hello there, Tom. Are you packing a picnic for the park?
What a wonderful idea. Amber, is everything okay? Oh no, it looks like they might... They need help. Tom,
No.
is there anything you can do? Wow, a helicopter propeller. You really outdid yourself this time, Tom. Now hurry, you two. Walter, Ben, and Jerry need you. Look at this mess. It's a good thing you two got here so fast. Walter, Ben, Jerry, are you guys okay? Jerry's wheel is stuck. Tom, you have to help. Wow, Tom, your invention is amazing.
Hey.
You're a real hero. Well done, Tom. But it looks like your friends still need your help. Amber, don't you think you ought to let Tom work the propeller? Be careful. Good job, Amber. I bet Jerry will feel better in no time. Wait, that's the wrong direction. Oh no, Ben. That's not where you want to be at all. Amber, maybe you should let Tom control the propeller. The propeller is on the frets. Look out! Can you stop it, Tom? Are you sick, Amber? Do you have a cold? Do you need to get a checkup at the hospital too? Do you have springtime allergies? Oh no! All that sneezing caused the propeller to jam. How can we catch that propeller? Wow! You think you can catch the propeller with a net thrower? Close one.
Yay!
Yes! You got it! You mustn't be too angry, Tom. Remember, Amber was just trying to help. You always have just what everybody needs, don't you, Tom? Maybe you two better help Walter get to the hospital now. And Ben, too. Do you guys feel better? Thanks, Tom, for saving the day yet again. And you too, Amber, for all your help. Maybe next time you have allergies, though, you should lay off the hero work.